So now let's see how we can get solutions to mathematical problems by using Copilot. So for that, I'm going to go around over here and say solve this mathematical problem over here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and do that and paste this out right here. And once I do that, what happens is that it takes that particular problem right here and solves it out stepwise, as you can see right here, just like this. It also tells me, like, first we have to evaluate the expression inside the parenthesis, then next we multiply by 5 and so forth right here, just like this. You can also go around and give it, let's say for example, problems in regular words, like let's say for example convert let's say for example this into binary number right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, then without much explanation, you can see that it goes around and then converts it into binary numbers right here, just like this, and represents it out right here, just like that. So that is what you have, as you can see right here, and seems like it misinterpreted out the content right here. Sometimes that is how it happens. So now I'm going to go around and say that this is a hexadecimal number. So convert. So I'm going to go around and say convert this hexadecimal number into binary, just like this. And once I go around and do that, then what happens is that it recognizes it as a hexadecimal number right there, just like that. And then you can see that it simply goes around and converts it out right here. So first it converts it into decimal and then gives the hexadecimal output, just like that. So that is how you can go around and get mathematical solutions to mathematical problems in Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.